1, 2.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Tea, Peas, and a Pod. Today we have our friend JC with us.
Hey, JC.
Hi. We're going to play Blindfold Slime Challenge.
So basically what the girls are going to do today are they are all going to make slime, but they're not going to know. There goes the blindfolds, what they're for. They're not going to know what they grab, and they'll be surprised by what concoction they come up with. Here we go. Ladies, grab your glue. 1 bottle, please. Oh. All right, open them up. If you need help, let me know. Okay. Ooh, nice. Oh, very nice. Ooh, make sure you get it all out. All out. Doing a very good job of actually getting it in the bowl. A lot better than I thought you were gonna do. Pour it in, pour it in. You think you're done? All right. Next, what we're gonna do is we're going to grab our fillers, our little Julie fuzzies, all kinds of good stuff. JC, do you know where they are? Okay, I'll move your bowl for you so you don't knock it over. All right, it's gonna be right in front of you. All right, y'all get to grab 3, all right? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. All right, y'all go ahead and start filling them up. Ooh, so all right, go ahead, start mixing, ladies.
With our hand?
Yep, with your hands.
Oh.
Go ahead.
I need help.
Ah,
I need help. But it's so sticky.
keep going.
Well, mine's starting to get off my hand. What? Mine's not. It's seriously stuck in my hand.
Ah,
My hand's almost gone.
your hand's almost gone.
My slime's almost gone out of my hand. That felt weird. I think I felt a lump.
Keep getting it, JC. I think you got more glue in there in that bowl that's not mixed in.
What?
Ooh, good job. Y'all are gonna be so surprised.
I need some more solution.
Okay, let me help you out with that.
My slime.
Yeah, I put more in the bowl.
I don't need any more. My slime is so
Super cool.
And a lot of people say if your slime.
I think you might have put a lot of shaving cream.
I know.
Ah.
Oh my goodness. I think mine's coming together.
Presley, is it sticking on you still?
Yeah. Mine's coming off of me.
Presley, I think you have glue in yours still.
Can I please have a little bit more? Because it's still sticky. Just
A solution?
Yeah. Just a little bit.
This is so sticky.
I can't wait to see what it turns out.
I know.
And then we can play with it.
Yep.
I don't know if I can play with mine.
Yours is gooey.
Mine I hope I don't get clear white.
I feel like it's just glue.
Yours still feels like glue.
Can I put mine on the table now?
Let's see, maybe you need more solution.
I need more solution.
Doesn't solution help it like harden?
It helps it turn into slime and it gets it unsticky too.
Yeah. Nice.
Can I put on the table?
Sure.
I need some more solution.
Are you sure?
Can I take my blindfold off?
No, ma'am.
I think we can't do it until all of us is done.
Mine's kind of starting.
Yeah, it's starting to come together.
I thought mine wasn't sticky.
It is very sticky.
Oh my goodness.
Very nice. I like the sound yours makes.
Oh, mine makes a good sound. Here.
Nice.
I know I have these like this.
Is it coming together, JC?
A little.
A little bit. All right, so we cleaned up just a little bit. It took us a minute to knead it into a slime-like shape. So now, ladies, let go of your slime. I went ahead and put the things that y'all used in front of your slimes, or what's left of it anyways. Go ahead and take your blindfolds off and see your creation.
Whoa.
The one you wanted, Tegan?
Huh?
Don't tell me I got clear.
You got clear.
How is it this color? And I got.
Maybe some of the stuff that you put in it.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Mommy.
let's stretch
Oh
it
my
out.
God.
Let's stretch it out and see what some of the stuff y'all got. If you can see some of the stuff you got.
I got glitter. I was right. I got.
Yeah.
I got. It's on my front shirt. Oh no.
It's okay.
Oh. Look.
I
knew it. I got fluff balls.
got pink beads.
I got
Oh.
purple beads and green. I got blue beads and pink beads. And glitter, blue glitter.
So Tegan picked up the color changing glue.
I want to see how it is.
She got glitter.
I got a heart.
And yes, I did help out with kneading some of the slime.
I got
Not
a heart.
mine.
Some
I
blue.
got a heart.
Ooh, nice. And some beads.
Those
You
aren't
put
beads.
some like
Those are fluff balls.
I did not.
But
You have a lot of, and Tegan also put in a lot of shaving cream.
I need mommy.
I am, no, you don't. And then JC got the all white glue.
And I got some glitter.
Ooh, some glitter. And she got some pink foam beads, some heart confettis, and I think also some beads, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty nice. Can you get
Poke
it?
Like
Ooh.
this. Poke it.
Shh, Tegan, listen.
My mom's gonna
Oh.
get
Now
jealous.
listen to
Yeah.
My mom loves them.
Perfect.
Mommy.
Let me
This is
see.
mine. Okay.
Ew. That sounds wet. All right, let's look at what
Mommy.
Presley got the clear glue. Let's see some of the stuff because all her containers are empty. So let's see. Oh, look, it looks like you got some fluff balls. Yeah, some puff pom-poms. Some green and purple beads. Oh, nice. How does it feel? Like, is it... Oh, that's really cool.
Still mine.
Yours is like marshmallow cream.
Can I feel it?
Nice.
Can I feel yours, JC?
Yeah.
It's like it's a. Oh my. Y'all put way more shaving cream than me.
I wonder how the color changes on this.
Because it's color changing.
I don't see the color changing.
Probably
Anyways,
cold.
all right, now let's test it out. Let's see who stretches really well.
3, 2,
Okay.
It's a challenge. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
I
nice.
can't go much further.
All right, put them back together.
Mine won. Mommy.
No, we're not winning or losing. We're just seeing.
Mommy.
Huh.
I think you put some of that slime, not the purple one, the other one.
No, I did not. I did not.
Who got the purple one then?
Nobody. It just fell over and the lid came off. All right, now let's see who makes the
This
best
can't
noise.
color change.
Let's see who makes the best noise. All right, your turn, JC. Oh, I love that. Your turn. Ooh, sounds wet. Very nice. All right, what do y'all think? Did they turn out pretty good?
Yeah. Our slime will. I don't know what our slimes will be called. What's yours going to be called? Rainbow blue.
Huh?
Marshmallow glue. Mine is going to be. I don't know. Comment down below what do you think mine should be called. If you like this video, push the like button, and we have a lot more videos coming up. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. We're gonna go play with JC now, so see y'all next time.